Good morning, my dear student. Today we are going to discuss a topic called the accounting equation. What is accounting equation? The whole financial accounting depends on the accounting equation, which is also known as a balance sheet equation. It's called the otherwise called the balance sheet equation. What is a balance sheet? A balance sheet is a statement as on 31st March. So how it will be? Balance sheet will be liabilities, asset, balance sheet will be this process: liabilities amount, asset amount. That is, asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Make a notes. Now we can solve on some related to accounting equation. See, first I read the sum and I will say that what is the sum is going on. Then we can solve the sum. Prepare the accounting equation from the following transaction in the books of Mr. X for January 2018. Invested capital in the firm 30,000. See, when you started a business, you want to invest the capital. So in the firm for 30,000. So in balance sheet, you will get in liability side the capital will be get 30,000 and the asset side the asset will be formed. That is both the side will be added. Then next one, purchase goods on credit from Das and Co for 22,000. Purchase goods on credit. Say it's a credit. Then Das and Co will be as under creditors. In which side it will come? In liability side. On credit for 2,000. So on credit only you are purchasing. So the cash will not be get reduced. So Sunday data in liability side will come under Sunday data 2000 and the goods. So you are purchasing goods. Automatically where it comes in asset side will comes. In stock, the stock will be increased. A broad plan for cash 8,000. He brought a plan for cash. On plan he purchasing for his firm. It comes under the fixed asset. A plan for 8,000. Then your cash will be reduced and the asset will be increased. Purchase goods for cash 4,000. You are purchasing a raw material. That's a purchase goods for cash for 4,000. Purchasing goods, the stock will be increased. Automatically the cash will be get reduced in balance sheet. Sold goods for cash cost 4,000 plus profit 2,000, totally 6,000. When you are selling the goods in cash, for what will he receive? Cash will be received in profit. Profit is 2,000 and 4,000 is a cost. So totally 6,000. In balance sheet it will be occurred. Paid to Das and Co in cash. Paid to Das. Who is Das and Co? Is a Sunday creditors. We are paying 1,000 rupees. So in cash will be reduced 1,000 rupees. And Sunday creditors, I mean in balance sheet liability side will be reduced to 10,000. Received from Banerjee 300. So we are receiving the amount from Sunday debtors. So it will be added in the cash account. Paid salary. For a servant you are paying this salary. So the cash will be get reduced. Received interest. The amount you are receiving. So the figures will be added in your cash account. Paid wages 3,000. You are paying the wages to the daily laborers, so your cash will be reduced in asset side. I think that I have made a detailed view in this question, sir. Then we can easily solve the equation. Make a notes. Now we can solve this sum. That I think that you all noticed, note down the question. I think that you all note down the question. Now we can solve the sum. What is the equation of accounting equation? Asset is equal to liabilities plus capital or owner's equity. The first one, on invested capital in the firm, assets 20,000, automatically in capital side 20,000 will be given. See, when you have this 20,000, it's a common norm. Then second one, purchase goods on credit from Das and Co. rupees 2,000. Purchase goods on credit. He is purchasing goods on credit, not cash. So sundry creditors will come. Das and Co. So 2,000 we add an asset side, and liabilities and creditors. The books of accounts should be prepared and on the person of Das and Co. So when you tally it, you will get 22,000. 2,000 in liability side, capital side 20,000. So when you add this, you will get 22,000. And next one, broad plan for cash. Bought plan for cash by 8,000. He is purchasing a plan. It's called the asset, fixed asset. So the other side 8,000 include what goes, the cash goes out. The asset cash will get reduced. So 8,000 plus or minus goes to, and what will be finally 22,000. And in the liability side and capital, the same will be remain 2,000 and 22,000. And now purchase goods for cash 4,000. He is purchasing stock. Purchase goods for cash. So 4,000. The same entry. 4,000 will be added in the cash stock and cash will be reduced. So plus or minus will get 0 and remaining same will become 22,000, and this side also liability is 2,000 and capital is 22,000. Sold goods for cash, cost 4,000 and profit is 2,000. Sold goods for cash. So he is purchasing goods and he again going to sell the product when we made a finished goods. So sold goods for cash, on cash basis selling. So what is coming in? Cash. So cash will be increased. Cost is 4,000, profit is 2,000. And asset side 6,000 and 4,000 will be reduced and the profit will be transferred to capital account. So it comes here. So you will get revised equation 34,000 when you tally it, and then said liability 2,000 and capital will get 34,000. Not it, capital will get 34,000. And finally, pay to Das and Co. 1,000 rupees. You purchased on credit basis, so you are paying cash 1,000 rupees. So the cash will be get reduced in the asset side. 24 minus 1,000 will get 23. And in this liability side, the creditors will be get reduced. 2,000 minus 1,000 will get 1,000 rupees, and the capital will be remain same 22,000. Received from B. Banaji. So the debtors is giving a money rupees 300. So 23,000 adding 300 in cash you will get it. In 23,000 you are plus or minusing 300, and liability side same and the capital side same. So you will get a revised equation is 23,000, 1,000 plus 20,000. You will get a 23,000. Paid salary. You are paying salary to the wage to your employee 6,000. So 23,000 minus you are paying through the cash mode. So the 23 cash or bank whatever. So what will be reduced? In asset side it will be get reduced. 23 minus 6,000 you will get 17,000. 1,000 in capital from your investment only you are going to be reduced. So 22 minus 6. So you will get 16,000. Note it, 16,000. So when you add 16 plus 1,000, you will get 17,000. Received interest for 5,000. Received interest 17,000 plus you are getting you are receiving interest for 5,000. 17 plus 5 22, and automatically where it goes? It goes in the capital account. So 1,000 plus 16 plus 5 21. So when you tally it, 21 plus 1,000 you will get 22,000. Paid wage of 3,000. You are paying a wage to the daily employees 3,000. So 22 your cash will be get reduced. In other side, so 22 minus 3 19,000. Similarly, capital also you will get reduced. 1,000. So 21 minus 3 you will get a 18,000. So when you add 18 plus 1,000 19,000 is the final equation. I think you all clear in accounting equation. We have solved one problem. If you have any doubt, you can mail me at srinalayanacademy@gmail.com, and you can chat with me in Telegram also. Nalayan Academy is there in Telegram. Thank you.